M'pas fait en Haiti, mais Haiti vive en dedans moi. Which translates, I wasn't born in Haiti, but Haiti was born in me. Which is exactly why I decided to develop this new documentary film project, La Belle Vie, The Good Life, which is a documentary about the other side of Haiti, the Haiti that you seldom see in the news and in the media, the Haiti that really describes La Belle Vie, which is really literally translated as the beautiful life. In this film, I'll be talking to everyone, from my friends, family, experts, my HBAs, Haitians by Association, to really give to you an authentic and important dialogue about the Haitian experience. I'm looking to raise $7,500, which will go to the production costs and travel expenses for this production. Your contribution is greatly appreciated. We also have great prizes for you to really be a part of this film. Just tap that little donation button. As little as $5 will help this film become a reality. M'a fait ça pour payer moi. Vive Haiti chérie, Haiti lives. Which translates, I'm doing this for my country. Ti Haiti chérie is Haiti my love. Haiti is my love. And Haiti lives. Haiti lives. Haiti lives.
We're all black, we're all Haitian, we're all part of one umbrella.
You know, gear is Chris, sneaker Chris, everything look Chris, he know everybody, or the girls think he's so handsome. Who's this guy? Turn around, oh, he's Haitian? How is that possible? How is the Haitian guy the flyest guy?
True life, I live this. It's serious business. You could be on anybody's hit list.
Well, someone look at me and says, damn, you Haitian? I'm like, yeah. They're like, well, you don't look like Haitian. I'm like, what does a Haitian look like?
A lot of Haitians feel like if you're not light-skinned, if you're not brown-skinned, you don't have the soft hair, what they call the good hair. The whole, you know, it's the whole Negro mentality.
Because your accent, you speak French, et puis on se demande comment faire un nègre parler français.
We got treated, you know, as if we were not even decent human beings, as if we, you know, we didn't have a place in history, or we were nowhere in the planets.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Those who are concerned about Haiti need to show the other side. Even in this tragedy, we need to show this other side of Haitian.
I can take you to some places where the person don't have a hilltop house, they don't have service, they don't have somebody to wash their cars, but they had a La Belle Vie.
Diaspora. Diaspora, c'est qui ça? Mais pour Haïtiens, les Haïtiens, vous mettez quelque chose à côté, vous mettez à Nantes, vous mettez en Afrique, vous restez et demeurez un Haïtien.
Qui bourgeois ou connaît, qui a travaillé pour boire comme ça. Et puis, rien, il n'y a pas de rien. Où est ça?
Ça me dit, Haïti a un préjugé de couleur vraiment. Okay. Jusqu'à ce jour. Jusqu'à ce jour.
On parlait créole avec les bonnes. Mais entre amis, on parlait toujours français.
On préjugé de quartier, préjugé de corps, préjugé de couleur.
And I think that we need to get out of that and understand that we Haitian, we one people, and it's one blood, and we need to love ourselves first.
Bon pays capitaine que nous pas prendre dicté de personne pour que pays noir a dérapé.